It's been 6 months since Syria's transition to new interim authorities, marking a significant shift in the country's recent history. In these months, we've witnessed a complex blend of hope and uncertainty. Initial reactions among the Syrian people were understandably cautious, marked by both anticipation and concern. Early incidents, including clashes in a Damascus suburb and a sectarian violence along the coast, have highlighted just how delicate Syria's social fabric remains. At the same time, the Syrian people have expressed cautious optimism. As I walked through the markets of Damascus ahead of Eid al-Adha, I saw firsthand a renewed sense of security and stability among residents. Many are hopeful that economic improvements will soon follow, despite ongoing challenges such as rising prices and limited purchasing power. People I've spoken with acknowledge that the road to recovery will take time. Patience is a common theme as residents navigate a new normal with resilience and determination. It's clear that economic recovery alone isn't enough. Maintaining peace and strengthening the social bonds that hold Syrian society together are equally important. From here in Damascus, the sentiment is clear. Progress is possible, but it requires careful nurturing, patience, and collective effort. The next phase will be crucial as Syrians continue to rebuild and move forward together.